Okay guys, what's up? Today is day 2 of just showing you just some things that I do in my cargo van business right now. As you guys can see, I'm actually inside of my SUV right now. So again, I'm gonna make a video explaining it a little bit more, but the best business model with starting a cargo van business from everybody that I've researched on YouTube, you guys know me, I always do my research, YouTube, Reddit threads, Google, talking to working professionals in the industry. Everybody says don't go out there and jump straight away into buying a cargo van because you can get it. Maybe you don't know everything that's associated with it. You might not have work right away. A lot of people can't even really afford to have 2 vehicles. So for a lot of people, if they were to get a cargo van, they might have to sell their personal vehicle, or say if you don't have a personal vehicle right now, a cargo van might be your main form of transportation, which might not be for everybody, you know? Again, for somebody like me, I'm a 23-year-old young man. If I just had like a white cargo van, I cannot be picking up shorties for dates, you know, I cannot be picking up girls in that. So I need at least 2 vehicles, you know? So what I did was, after I got into my car accident before, I used some of the money that I got from that to buy this SUV that you see right here. So I'm actually on my way to a catering order right now from the DLIVRD app. I don't know if you guys have heard of the DLIVRD app, but it's a catering app. They have it in a lot of different markets. It's growing right now. The order that I'm doing today, I'll try to put a screenshot up on the screen, but it's a catering order. I live in like Glendale in Los Angeles, and it's a place that's literally like a mile up the street from my house. I'm picking up from Blaze Pizza, taking it to an office less than a mile away, and they're paying me $20 for that. So it works out perfectly. I like doing little catering gigs like that. They're usually between 10 a.m. and like 3 p.m. because you're almost always delivering exclusively to like offices, like medical offices, things like that. So, all right, I'm gonna go pick it up. Okay guys, I just completed the drop off. I kind of have to tell you guys a funny story. So when I was going to pick up the order, I didn't realize, but it was in the Galleria, which is the mall in Glendale over here. So I had to like park. I was running late. I parked like in this, it was next to a handicap spot, not in the handicap, never do that. But it was like this little like walkway area, swerved in there, parked real quick. I had to run inside the mall, find out where this pizza place was. I picked up the order, thankfully it was all ready. Packed it all up into my bags, and I brought it over here to the drop-off. I'm here at this building here in Glendale. It's like a sweet like office building, but when I got there, the lady wasn't picking up, so the guy at the front desk, super big shout out to him, security let me up into the 2nd floor. And where I delivered to, this is kind of the cool thing about doing deliveries and just different gigs and orders like this, was actually this company called Beyond Limits, and they're an AI company. So I kid you not guys, when I walked inside, it was like iRobot up in there. I thought Will Smith was about to pop out with a backflip fighting a robot, because everybody in there was just like glued to their computers, typing code. There was people doing like standing desk in there and stuff. And I guess they have some of the bigger executives that were coming by today. So super dope experience. I just wanted to share that with you guys. So that was the only delivery that I have set for today was that catering order. Now I'm about to go hang out with my friend Davey. So see you.